Tired of laggy public servers and ready to build your ultimate Minecraft world with friends? Then follow along as we show you how to create your very own Minecraft Java and Bedrock server using Apex hosting, the simplest way to get your game online. First, head over to appexhausting.com and select your server plan based on the number of players you anticipate having and the resources you'll need. Apex offers a variety of options to fit every budget and playstyle. Next, choose your server location closest to you and your friends for optimal performance. Then, select whether you want a Java or Bedrock Edition server. You can always change this later, but it's best to choose correctly from the start. Now, decide if you want a pre-configured game pack with popular mods and plugins, or a clean, vanilla server. Game packs make it super easy to get started with customized gameplay. Review your order, select your billing cycle, and complete your purchase. Apex hosting offers various payment options for your convenience. Once your server is set up, you'll be taken to the Multicraft control panel. This is where you'll manage your server. Find the start button and get your server online. This may take a few minutes. Copy your server address from the control panel. This is what you and your friends will use to connect. In Minecraft Java Edition, click Add Server, paste the address, and click Done. Your server should now appear in your server list. For Bedrock Edition, go to the Servers tab, scroll down to Add Server, enter the server name and address, and click Play. And that's it. You're now ready to jump in and start building your dream world with your friends. Enjoy your new Minecraft Java and Bedrock server, powered by Apex Hosting.